favorite producer on Dixon Beats.
Hey, lovely people. Hey, Peanut. You guys are welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, if you're new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, so that you will always be the first to watch my video. And if you are part of the family, you already know. You know what to do. Share, comment, and like my videos. So today's video is going to be really quick and simple. This video is about, I don't know. So some of you guys are asking me to do a skincare routine, so I'm going to be doing that. But before I do that, I decided to share with you guys how to take down your makeup. It's also important when it comes to skincare routine that you guys, most of you don't know about. All right, so you know how all these busy ladies, we put on makeup like 5 times a week, two times a week, one time like once a week and all that, but we don't know where the makeup is coming from and the kind of chemical they are using, right? Like for me, for instance, some of the makeup, especially the foundation, whenever I use it on my face will become so itchy and all that. So you don't know the kind of chemicals they are using, so when you are taking them down, you really need to do a good job when you are taking it down. So today I'm going to show you guys how I take my makeup down personally, how I do it, okay? And it's also going to help you because you don't want your face to be wrinkled and all, having all this pimple or rashes, whatever that will happen to your face, so you don't want that. Let's avoid that, okay? So right now I have this makeup on and I have had it on for I think 3 to 4 hours, so I'm going to show you how I take it down. So let's get into the video. So before we start, I would like to show you the kind of oil that I use. I don't know if you guys can see. So it's the cucumber and aloe vera oil, okay? And here I have my facial gel. So it's a gel to hydrate my face and it's really good. I have that. And I have my facial scrub. So it's a scrub that you kind of go in and scrub your face from. Right? I'm showing you all my skincare routine, guys. And here, if you've watched my my makeup video, you saw this. This is what I always clean my face with. It's like watermelon mist, and it's really good with like watermelon mixed with aloe vera. So it's really good, and it helps your face. It cleans it well for you. Okay, so that is what I use. Yes, my wipes. This is the kind of wipes I use. It either comes in pink or pink or blue color, and I get them from Walmart, so you can try it in Walmart store. So before we start, I'm going to go ahead and get some of these wipes. And I'll go ahead and spray my oil. You can see me spraying all this oil, right? So first, when you can use your wipes, you can use your cotton, whatever you have available, girl, use it. So you don't want to go like that, right? Don't want to go like, oh, I want to go, no. So like the way you did your makeup, you start from your eyebrows, you went to your eyeshadow, you went to your foundation, did the little touching and your lips. So that is how you take your makeup down. So I'm gonna go and take my eyebrows off. Take it off, take it off, take it off, take it off. And you come back to your eyeshadow. You find a clean part. So you see how I'm turning it. And now I try and get my lashes off. Alright. Because the oil kind of softened the glue, so it's easier to take it off and go over it again. And take all your eyeshadow down. Alright, take all your eyeshadow down. So now your brows and your eyeshadow is down. You can see that. All right, you take another one. Please buy enough. You take another one. You go into your lips, so you take your lips down. So with my lips, I like to widen it and clean it well. So I go like. So now you find a clean spot and you start taking all your foundation off little by little, okay? So because I'm showing you this oil doesn't mean you should use the same oil. You can get coconut oil. I used to use coconut oil, but I didn't like the smell, so I stopped using it. You can use olive oil too. Whenever my oil is finished, I use olive oil, the cooking oil, olive oil, whatever kind of olive oil that you use is fine. If it's good for the inner body, then it's good for the outer body, all right? If it's good for you to eat, you can use it on your skin. That is what I mean. So yeah, so you can see I used 2 wipes already. I go ahead and take my 10 wipes. Make sure I wet it pretty good with the oil. And this oil smells really good, really. And go in my face.
Don't forget your ears and under your neck, because always you try to apply the makeup over there, so your ears.
And the last one, scrub. So you go in with your scrub. I don't know if you guys can see. And you kind of scrub it on your face, okay?
So now you can see everything is coming out.
For wipes, I can use now. I'm going in with my facial gel, okay? So this one is pretty, like, it's so soft. Oh my god, it's like a baby poop. So there's this thing we use at work and they call it baby poop. It's so soft.
And it's kind of soapy, so soft. Oh my god. The side of your nose is really important. So, you know, making a YouTube video is so crazy. Talking to yourself alone in the room and all that. So crazy.
Oh, I feel so good on my face right now. I'm so going in with this, okay? My facial wipes. So now it's like, you know, you taking your shower and now you are wiping the soap off from your face. Everything smells so good. Oh my god. You guys, you should try this. Alright? We are all done and you can see my face, right? Yeah, it's very soft. Oh my god, I like the skin. So beautiful. Yeah, so this is how you take your makeup down, and all the stuff that I show you over here is mostly what I use for my skincare routine, but I will show you guys in another video how I start everything and end everything, like start with my day and end with my day. But this is how I take my makeup off all the time and every day. Don't go like woman go under the shower. So if I'm not going to take shower right after I take my makeup off, I make sure I have enough oil on my face, okay? Yeah, because you wipe your face down, so make sure you have enough oil on your face. The same oil I used to take off my makeup with the same oil I'm applying on my face. I'm about to say my skin anyways, it's my skin. Yeah. So that is why I make sure it's there. Oh my god, look at that skin. Look. Massage your face. It's your face. Take care of it, okay? When that is if I'm not going to take my shower right away. But if I'm going to take my shower right away, I don't go ahead and put this oil on my face. But if I'm going to do something else before I take my shower, then I have to, you know, put something on my face. Yes. So this is a little video for you guys, but the main skincare routine will come very soon, okay? So don't worry, continue sharing and commenting because there will be a giveaway really soon. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.